adjuster is called the double blade. Looks cool, right? Let's make it. First, take two pieces. First piece, fold vertically in half. Then fold horizontally in half and open. Top part, fold towards the left. Bottom part, fold towards the right. Flip. Then fold this crease line to this crease line. Do the same on this side. So the first piece is ready. The second piece. It is same like the first piece. Fold vertically in half. Then horizontally in half. Open. But this time fold the top part towards right and bottom part towards left. Flip. Find the part which is open. The two squares are just joined at this edge and put that towards the bottom. Top part fold just like how we did in the first piece. The next part is a bit tricky. We need to fold it the other way, getting the crease line, open the two squares and fold this point inward. Then fold this part up and this one too. The second part is also ready. Now the joining. Put the second piece inverted on top of the first piece. Fold the flap into the hole in front of it. Even on this side. And then the bottom part invert too. Make sure it's really tight. So the first piece is ready. Make 3 more just like this. The joining is really easy. The left flap, fold it into this hole. Roll the right flap up and fold it inward. Again, make sure it's really tight. Loose connections will allow it to break easily. The third piece, same thing. And fold the right flap up and inward. the fourth flap and the last flap. Just the last joining is left. Take the left flap, be careful others don't come out, and fold it in. Then do the same. Fold this up and tuck it in tightly. Press it tightly and our double blade ninja star is ready.